Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Sunday and it is Renew Your Spirit Day. We have a 2-layer cake today, and the first layer is our routines. There are only 3 routines on Sunday, and those are our morning routine, which is a 2-parter. You take care of yourself first, making sure that your bed is made, you've taken care of yourself, gotten yourself cleaned up, moisturizer on, possible makeup and jewelry, fix your hair, put your clothes on, put your PJs away, brush your teeth, all those things. Then you're going to wipe out your sink and swish your toilet, hang your towel up, bathroom looks nice, go to the kitchen, empty the dishes from wherever they are, the dish rack or the dishwasher, put those all away, and then start a little coffee or breakfast or whatever it is you normally do. Then go and get your children up and put them through theirs. Their bed made, the sink wiped out from their toothpaste, their clothes on, their dress, their face is clean, their hair is brushed, they've had a little breakfast. So that's their little morning routine. And then your next routine is going to be your after dinner routine later in the day, and then your before bed routine, which includes your planner. And at some point in the afternoon, I'd like you to take a look at your planner and kind of reassess last week and what's going forward this week, and change your plans as needed. If you've got those little Frixion pens, you can erase some things, which is always convenient. All right, then the last thing we're going to do is, well, it is the first thing we're going to do. Today is our Renew Our Spirit Day. So today you're going to church or wherever to renew your spirit, to give your children a chance to really know their faith, your faith, their faith, and also enjoy each other and enjoy this day and feel really renewed so that tomorrow you'll have a great fresh start on the week. That's it for today. Have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.